Vivo again presents its latest device targeting users with heavy gaming and multitasking needs. Through the iQOO sub-brand, Vivo launched the iQOO Neo 10, which is predicted to bring significant improvements from its predecessor, both in terms of performance and other supporting features. Then, what are the detailed specifications of this iQOO Neo 10? Here's the full review. Vivo iQOO Neo 10 comes with a fairly solid design, despite using plastic materials on the back and frame. The device weighs about 206 grams, with a thickness of only 8.09 millimeters, making it one of the thinnest and most comfortable 7,000 mAh large battery smartphones to hold. The body design features the squircle concept on the rear camera module, with two attractive color options such as titanium chrome and inferno red, which gives it a modern look with a sporty touch. Despite using plastic material, the build quality still feels sturdy and not cheap. The device is also IP65 certified, making it resistant to splashes of water and dust, although it cannot be immersed in water. On the right side are the power button and volume rocker, while below is the USB-C port, speaker, and dual SIM slot. Additional features such as an IR blaster and NFC are also embedded to enhance functionality. The iQOO Neo 10's large 6.78-inch display features a 1.5K resolution AMOLED panel, 2800 by 1260 pixels resolution, which offers excellent sharpness and brightness. Peak screen brightness can reach up to 5,500 nits, making it very comfortable to use outdoors in bright sunlight. The display supports refresh rates of up to 144 Hz in gaming mode and 120 Hz in normal use, providing a smooth visual experience without lag. The display technology also comes with HDR10+ and 4320 Hz PWM, dimming to reduce eye fatigue when watching or playing for long periods. The built-in stereo speakers provide quite powerful sound output, although the quality is unbalanced and tends to lack clarity at maximum volume. The device's haptics provide precise enough tactile feedback to enhance the gaming experience. One of the main attractions of the iQOO Neo 10 is the use of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset, which is the latest and most powerful processor for the mid-range to flagship. This chipset comes with a powerful octa-core configuration, as well as an Adreno 825 GPU, allowing for up to 31% CPU and 49% GPU performance improvement over its predecessor. To support graphics performance, Vivo also embedded a Q1 dedicated graphics chip that supports features such as super game resolution and frame rates of up to 144 FPS in more than 20 popular game titles. Support for up to 16 GB of LPDDR, 5x RAM and UFS 4.1 internal storage makes multitasking and data access performance very fast and responsive. Benchmark tests such as Antutu, Geekbench 6, and 3D Mark showed high scores indicating that the smartphone is capable of handling heavy apps and high graphics games without any significant issues. During intensive use, the device did not overheat significantly thanks to the 7,000 square millimeter vapor chamber cooling system. This smartphone carries a 50-megapixel main camera with a Sony IMX882 sensor that is equipped with optical image stabilization, capable of producing photos with sharp details and natural colors, especially in high light conditions. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera supports wide-angle shots, although performance degrades significantly in low-light conditions. For the front camera, a 32-megapixel sensor is embedded, which is capable of producing well-detailed selfies in sufficient light, but with less performance in low-light conditions. Video features support up to 4K 60 FPS recording on the main and selfie cameras, while the ultra-wide camera is only capable of up to 1080 pixels 30 FPS. Unfortunately, video stabilization is still poor, and there is quite annoying jitter, especially on the front camera. Nonetheless, the camera is sufficient for everyday use and social media content needs. Vivo iQOO Neo 10 runs the FunTouch OS 15 operating system based on the latest Android 15. Users are promised 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches, ensuring the device remains secure and up-to-date. The FunTouch OS UI provides various interesting features such as theme customization, floating windows, split-screen mode, as well as a number of AI features such as AI Eraser, AI Photo Enhance, and AI Call Translation that make it easier for users in their daily activities. Although the UI is quite functional, there are some criticisms regarding bloatware and ads that are quite intrusive to the user experience, although most of the built-in apps can be disabled. The optical fingerprint sensor under the display is fast and responsive, while a 2D facial security system is available as a backup option. Full connectivity features with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and 5G support make the Neo 10 ready to compete in the modern smartphone market. The 7,000 mAh battery is iQOO Neo 10's biggest advantage, supported by dual-cell silicon-carbon technology that improves power efficiency and battery life. Normal use can make the battery last more than a full day, even for heavy gaming activities with an active screen duration of up to 8 to 9 hours. Charging is also extremely fast with the 120-watt flash charge technology, allowing a full charge in just about 40 minutes. The 120-watt charger included in the package also supports USB power delivery, so it can be used to charge other devices such as laptops or tablets. Although it does not support wireless charging, the fast charging capability and large capacity mean that users do not have to worry about the battery anxiety that often occurs with mid-range smartphones.